Hey guys, welcome back to Phone Tricks. In this video, we learned how to turn off camera shutter sound in Oneplus 10 Pro smartphone. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open the camera of the phone. Now we'll take the photo. It will give the sound. You need to click on the three dots located on the right side top. Then choose settings. Now you need to disable the shutter sound. So after you disabling, you can come back to the photo. We can take. It will not give any sound. So that's all guys. I hope this video is very useful to you. If you like this video, hit thumbs up and do subscribe our channel for more interesting phone videos. Thank you.